Hey everyone, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I want to spend a little bit of time looking back at all of 2023. It was such a crazy year for me, and it started with selling my house last Christmas. We spent the next 3 months looking for a new home and finally moved into our dream home in April. And before we were even unpacked, we ended up helping our daughter move twice, once back home for a couple months, and then all the way across the country to New York. It was the year of moving for sure. And through it all, we even managed to sneak in a couple of vacations. There were birthdays, there were weddings, there were good times, there were hard times, there were broken appliances and new ovens and refrigerators that didn't work. But through it all, there were cookies. I managed to put out a new cookie tutorial every week, which was a goal that I had. I also launched my online cookie classes where I teach full-length tutorials, which is something I've been wanting to do for a couple of years now. That was super exciting for me. I came up with my own apple pie cookie dough recipe that my husband thinks is the best thing he's ever tasted. There were cookies that worked out. There were some cookies that came out quite funny. There were brand photography sessions, which I have to say I really don't like being in front of the camera. I'm actually a pretty shy person, and putting myself out here on YouTube has definitely been a growth experience for me. And I've learned so much over the course of the year about making videos and editing videos and how to be there for you all. I hit 500 subscribers this year, and I'm hoping to hit 1,000 by next year. And I couldn't do any of this without all of you. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support. And if you have ideas of what kind of tutorials you'd like to see in the future, please leave me a note in the comments. And I'd like to wish you a wonderful 2024 that's filled with joy and cookies. See you next year.